welcome to my channel once again, and my name is Kwakodapa. So in our previous tutorial we looked at how to clean our data set, and now that our data is cleaned we can do some analysis on it. So it's the same email subscription data set, and we want to look at the following analysis. So we want to look at the total subscribers, subscription by gender, status, marital status, living status, state, city, year, and month. Alright, so I've just profiled the data by using this command. So this command will output all the data for us, and the first objective is to look at the total subscription. So to do that, I'll just use select and an aggregate function count. So we are going to count the ID field, then from email table, email TBL. Okay, so when I run this query, this will give us the total subscription count. But you see the column says no column name, so we can use the alias function in SQL to give it an alias name, or to give it a column name. So we call the column subscription count. Subscription count. Okay, right, so I'll run it again, and there's what we have. So now we have an alias name for the column. Okay, so the next objective is to look at subscription by gender. That means count the number of subscription based on the gender. Okay, so to do that, I'll copy the select statement because we will need the count or the aggregate function count again. Then I'll call the gender column. Then after pulling out the record, I'll group it by gender because we need to know the count of subscription by each gender. So this is what we will have. So now we have what, 6,886 male subscription, 2,907 female subscription, then 206 subscription by others. Okay, so the next is to check active user count. So I'll just make a copy of this, paste it here, change this to 3, then change the column to what, status. Then I'll group by the status column as well. So inactive is 100, active is 9,899. Very simple. Then the next is to find subscription by marital status. So I'll make a copy of this once again, paste it here, make a copy, paste it here, change this to 4, and I'll change the column name to marital status, marital underscore status. Then I'll group by the marital status column again. Okay, so there's what we have. Or married 324, married 9,675. Okay, make a copy again, change it to 5. Then they want sign up by living status, so I'll just change this to living status. So living status, make a copy of it, put it here, run it. Okay, so by living status, today is the distribution of subscription. Make a copy once again, paste it here. And the next thing is to find people sign up by state. So by state, all that I need to do is I'll change the column to state, and I'll change here to state as well. Okay, right, so by state 2, this is what we have for each state. Okay, make a copy once again, paste it here, change to city. We want to know the subscription by city. So basically these are just how you can easily find some statistics or analysis, or do some basic analysis on your data set. So by year, I'll make a copy, change this to 8 and this to 9. So I'll change this to enrolled year, enrolled underscore year. So this is just very simple. Okay, so this is the distribution of enrollment by year. Then the last one is enrollment by month. So it's enrolled month. Okay, so I'll make a copy, put it here, and this gives enrollment by month. So basically this is how we can perform some basic analysis on our data set after it was cleaned. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to share this channel, and also click on the notification bell to get alert of new videos as and when it is loaded. See you in the next tutorial.